Hello, Long Yisa. Look at my fan, brother fan, fan. Okay, look at this is guava tree and this is avocado tree. Oh, look at so many avocado is hanging. Small tree, very short. And then this is lamb. This is sour soup. Oh, look at those grape ones, so beautiful. But I show you the more beautiful one. Okay, look at that. His how he have his own this. Wow. Oh, so big. Do they have baby by itself?
Yeah, but the second one I lost because
Do they have baby by itself?
Yeah, right there.
No, I mean like the baby have baby.
Yeah.
Oh, and then he have lots of jujube. This is called
so
jujube.
what happened
Right
with
here.
mine, it's the same thing. Like I had an aquarium.
Yeah,
I
he
drained
have
out the water,
lemon
so
and
I'm like, okay, I'm cleaning the
jujube.
aquarium and then I'm putting water
Wow.
in. And then all of a sudden,
And then this one, I don't know what's that. And this is Asian pear.
yeah, I got a 50-gallon.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the dragon fruit. Wow.
And then my daughter gets home.
Wow, he have chayote hanging. Wow, so many flowers, but a lot fall down. Unfortunately, baby is the wind. And he have banana tree there. And has, okay, I want to take you to show this is chayote. Yummy. Wow, what a beautiful garden he have. Amazing. Lots of tomato. And then how you do the thing right here.
just flow right there. And I go one bucket.
Wow.
The second bucket on the bottom.
And then the fish, they have baby. They have baby by themselves. He didn't have to buy. He only buy one or two, and then suddenly, boom, they make their own family. I don't know what plant is this, but it's all edible up in here. This guy house is really beautiful. The jujube, that's amazing.
Go to the black one. Go on the bottom.
So big.
Filter with
I love it. Oh, look at the banana tree. You guys see the banana tree right there? Wow, lots of tomato everywhere. This is green mustard, by the way, if you like to eat green mustard. Ah, look at this. Bonsai, right? How you say?
go over there.
And this one, you can eat this too. This is called pennywood.
Up. And you go with the third one right here.
Whoa,
Then go
love
back
everything about it.
to the big one.
I don't get you guys' face, don't worry, okay?
But I use the pump, the small pump.
Your system for the
I
DVI.
How is the water going up?
Huh? This one, come right here. Come.
Man, I want to eat
Yeah,
that.
this is slow
I don't know what's this pan, but it's
down.
Which one?
this one.
Tomatoes.
No.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
This one
Oh,
right
maybe
here.
it's the same. What is that apple? The Jubilee wild apple, whatever you call it.
Oh, jujube.
Because I'm all the way over here.
Wow.
We have that many tiny tuna.
And then in front, he have big jumper. I'll show you guys in the front in a minute.
That's hard.
The fish is so smart. When you try to catch them, they run away. Come on, fishy. Lunchtime. Wow. Wow, this is our dream. We want to have something like this. But I don't think we will get something like this. They're not hungry, huh? They don't want to eat.
Which can?
Oh, they're scared. There you go. Oh, they're very fast. They're smart fish. They're very fast. They go away. So they have baby by itself and they have baby like this?
Yeah.
Oh. In the beginning, how many fish you have? One or two only?
No, I got about 20.
20?
He buy it somewhere.
He buy 20 and then suddenly he got a lot. Because they
I
keep
bought
having baby.
the guy, American white guy in
Oh, so
in
big.
the Conquer or
This fish is like longer than my hand.
yeah. I bought a small like that.
Ah, they jump.
Real boy. That's one. And then it looks like it. I think
Oh, the big one, they're actually super big, like a giant big. My goodness. They're so beautiful. Every single one have their own beauty.
That's smaller.
Look at
One third? Make sure it's deep water.
what are you eating? Look at you eating. This is how you clean your filter right here. Your filter. And then it go from here to there, and then go back to here, to here, to here, and to there. Every time when we go fishing, we get no fish because look at this guy. He can't even catch with the net. How he gonna catch in the lake or in the oceans? Every time we go fishing, we can't get anything. Then look at the dragon fruit right here, and then inside here you eat that. That's so yummy. Tomato. Oh, and then if you guys know this is actually cherry. I believe it's cherry. I love the banana and the chayote. Everything here edible. And then this is lemongrass, and this is Asian pear, and then right here this one. Logan in the front, Logan. Oh, and how about this one? What's this?
Orange.
Orange.
This
And
one
then the filter.
Chinese, something Chinese.
Jujube. This one is jujube. Oh, and then what big rose. And those are lemon. Lemon combined together. And then my friend is having a hard time getting the fish. We can't even get one fish. Look at the fun. The fun is like a bamboo. This flower is pretty. Oh, look, this is guava too.
Yeah, this
Different kind of guava.
Mexican guava.
Oh, Mexican guava. And then look at the champa tree. So big, smells so good. And this one is Logan tree in the front yard. And then this one Japanese maple.
You know this one, right?
Yeah, I know this one.
Yeah, it
Thailand
smells-
have a lot. Smell very good. And then this one guava tree too. Oh, you have a lot of guava.
This one now we see right here.
Oh, this is passion, huh? Passion fruit.
Cái này
This
lá
one
gì
passion fruit.
Phi, sẽ lá xương xăm rồi.
Xương xăm rồi.
Passion
Làm ngon lắm
fruit.
luôn á.
So healthy.
Good á.
Xương xăm nó gọi sao? Không biết.
Nè, chết.
Wow. Oh, big one right here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Yummy, yummy.